In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an application letter in ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. Drafting an application letter can feel like a second job, and generic AI text gets flagged fast by modern screening systems. Instead of copy-paste outputs, we'll use ChatGPT as a collaborative partner to turn your real achievements into a concise, human-sounding letter that passes tracking filters. We'll set up a clean workspace, extract the right keywords, apply an 80-20 hybrid writing method, audit for AI cliches, and format the final text for automated parsers. Start by creating an isolated workspace so your career materials don't get mixed with unrelated chats. Open your left navigation, go to the projects area, and create a new project. Give it a clear title like 2026 Tech Job Applications. This contains your prompts, drafts, and variations so the model consistently understands your role, industry, and goals throughout the session. Next, extract the right keywords and competencies from the target job description. Copy the full posting and paste it into ChatGPT. Switch to a thinking-focused analysis mode if available, then run a command like act as an expert technical recruiter and talent acquisition analyst. Analyze this specific job description. Identify the top 5 mandatory operational competencies, technical stack dependencies, and methodology phrases required to pass initial tracking filters. Format your findings into a clean markdown table with columns for required competency and recommended letter integration point. This gives you precise language to mirror and ensures your letter aligns with screening criteria. Now, transform your experience using the 80-20 hybrid rule. 80% your authentic notes, 20% AI structure. Jot a quick, messy paragraph describing real projects, outcomes, and metrics. Then prompt, act as a senior executive resume and career document writer. Take my raw, unedited background notes and structure them into a formal application letter. Constraints. Keep the total length under 300 words. Banish all generic corporate buzzwords and obvious AI transition strings completely. Use strong, action-oriented phrasing and leave explicit bracketed placeholders where I must manually input my real data metrics to ensure absolute authenticity. Replace those placeholders with true figures before sending. Run a strict stylistic audit to wipe out robotic phrasing. Use act as an elite executive editor. Scan my application letter text for any generic corporate fluff, repetitive paragraph openings, or obvious AI-generated cliches. Highlight the offending phrases, explain why they sound robotic, and provide a clean, copyable patch block showing how to rewrite them using varied sentence structures and direct, professionally confident human phrasing. Apply the patches and read your draft aloud to confirm it sounds natural. Finally, format for modern tracking software. Prompt, act as an advanced document typographer and data systems engineer. Organize my finalized application letter text into a clean, single-column markdown layout. Structure the hierarchy perfectly with dedicated lines for my contact information, current date, company header information, formal salutation, body paragraphs, and a clean closing signature block. Avoid columns, text boxes, or graphics to prevent parsing errors. Transform your process from guesswork to a repeatable system, and you'll walk into interviews with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see